Then you come in, yeah. So basically, at least people can see you before you put your mask on, yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, go in. Hey guys, welcome to another video. So in today's video, I'll be introducing you guys to the new learner who'll be starting driving lessons with me soon. And just like we did with Taz's lessons, we'll be filming every lesson and uploading it each week. So yeah, to be honest, after Taz's lessons, I thought I wouldn't be doing this again, but a lot of you have been requesting for me to do it again because you guys have found the content very helpful. It is a lot of work for me to edit the videos and upload them each week, but to be honest, if it's helping you guys, I'm going to continue doing it. Yeah, so I've selected a new learner. Well, not selected, he's my nephew, and he hasn't had lessons yet. So he's related to Taz. Basically, Taz's dad and this learner, his name's Brandon's dad are brothers. So yeah, he's been asking for lessons for a while, and I just wanted to get Tazzy learned and passed, and she's passed the test now. So yeah, we're going to start with Brandon. So Brandon is waiting outside the car at the moment. So let me just call him. Brand, you wanna come in? Yeah. So leave your mask. Let me just step out, yeah, and then you come in, yeah. So basically, at least people can see you before you put your mask on, yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, go in. Look at the camera and say hello.
Hello.
Okay, pop your mask on. Okay guys, so this is Brandon, and like I said, just a short video so you guys can well, no, you won't get to know him in one video, yeah, but we can introduce Brandon. So Brandon, tell us a little bit about yourself.
Oh god. My name's Brandon. I'm 21. Just recently finished university, and I'm gonna go and start doing my PGCE for teacher training.
Just one sec. You know your mask? It's the wrong way around.
Is the blue on the outside?
Yeah.
No, it's not.
It is. It's the blue on the outside.
Swear it's meant to be white on the outside.
No, I'm sure I was told it was blue.
Because
well, put it on anyway, because it's
do you want it blue side or white side?
It's up to you, whatever you think. I'm sure it's blue though.
Because I always saw people wearing it white.
I think it's a blue side on the outside, yeah. People have told me in the comments it's a blue side, because I've already liked that the first time as well.
I'll do it this way then.
I think we kind of lost the point of the mask now because you've had it off for ages. But anyway, we're family anyway, yeah. We're not from the same household, so we still have to put the mask on. And to be honest, I totally do not like doing lessons with these masks on, like a lot of instructors and learners will tell you. So where were you? So far we got to, your name's Brandon, you're 21.
Finished 3 years of university doing ancient history and archaeology, and I'm doing a PGCE for teacher training to become a teacher.
Brilliant. So that was one of the main reasons why you haven't really focused on your driving or anything, because you were at uni and you wanted to get that done with first.
Fate wasn't favourable for me. I remember the injured leg. I had to have surgery on the leg. So first year of university was a bit poopy, so I couldn't really do anything. Second year, I had lots of archaeology digs, so I had to go to different countries and do digs there. Same with first year. So I came back and I didn't have enough time. And this was the year that I was going to do it, and Corona happened.
Well, it's a good timing really, because Taz passed, and then because I wasn't going to teach both of you
at the same time.
Yeah, and you're not that camera shy, and you're like, yeah, I'm cool with it being filmed. Yeah. I wasn't going to film your lessons as well, but after Taz's passing, I just wanted, I was like, okay, that's done there. but it's been like really good content for people. Yeah, you watch some of the videos. Yeah, so that's what we do, guys. Just to let you guys know, we will be just sticking to 1 hour lesson a week. Yeah, obviously that way it is going to take a little bit longer, but if we did 2 hour lessons, again, I just feel the videos are too long for you guys to watch. And remember, we don't edit anything out of the actual lesson. So if Brandon, when you mess up, I mess up, we just put it out there. Yeah, okay. So yeah, and the other main question, Brand, have you heard of the ultimate driving course? What's that big sigh for?
I see it in every single comment section. This guy doesn't shut up about it.
Yeah, because it's like the best thing out there for learners. That's why you'll know when we start learning. We'll save so much time on lessons. Obviously, I've got to get you registered onto it. Yeah,
it's almost like you're sponsored.
So yeah, you will be using it and you'll be watching the videos before you come on the lesson. So it's going to save us just basically me getting my books out and talking you through stuff. Yeah, you'll have the correct knowledge. As soon as you get in the car, we can just get going, really. Yeah, save time on your lessons. I was going to say save money as well, but you're not going to be paying me anyway, are you? Anyway, guys, yeah, my nieces and nephews, it's not just because we're filming this for YouTube. Even before, obviously YouTube is I'm making some money from YouTube as well, but even before that, any nieces and nephews, I wouldn't charge them for driving lessons because we're quite close as a family. Yeah, or maybe I'm just being used for driving lessons. Well, I want to do that. But yeah, so how do you feel about driving, Brand? Do you feel nervous or excited or not fussed or what?
I'm quite excited. I'm not nervous. I just want to be driving, to be honest. It's been too long. I want to be places, and I'm sick and tired of biking it everywhere. So it's about time.
And have you ever driven before?
No.
Okay, so you're going to be obviously from beginner stage, which is good for us. So we can just start from scratch and hopefully get you there pretty quickly. Yeah, but like I said, we're going to do just 1 hour a week, and that will take a little bit longer. Say if we did two lessons a week, obviously you get there in half the time. Yeah, okay, but just for it's not just like, you know, for the content, because I do the mock test will always be on there, guys, every week. But these lessons as well, if I started doing 2, I just wouldn't have the time to like edit everything.
Yeah, editing takes a long time.
Yeah. Okay, so yeah, the other thing, guys, we won't be starting the lessons straight away. So we're coming towards the end of August now. Yeah, we're going to be starting in about 3 or 4 weeks. Yeah, because I want to have a couple of weeks off. I'll still have the mock test videos coming up, but then the lessons will start mid-September, towards the end of September. Yeah, because I've got a little holiday planned. Hopefully it goes ahead. Yeah, but if I come back, there might be still that rule where you have to quarantine for 2 weeks. So we'll see how that goes. And yeah, we'll definitely be starting though towards the end of September. We will try and start a bit earlier, but yeah. And remember, guys, if you want to watch Brandon's videos, don't forget to subscribe. And Brandon, do you want to promote any of your social media stuff or anything?
Oh, surely you're going to have it in the description.
Yeah, I'll put it there.
Okay.
It's nice to tell people as well if you want it there, because I know you're the kind of guy. Yeah, I want more followers than that. Yeah. So
you can follow me on Instagram at brandon.kayla, and all the other socials will be on there anyway.
Cool. So yeah, is it interesting with just boring pictures or what? Or is it?
Hey, you can get an exclusive of me. No,
cool.
Just
yeah, I'm not sure many people want that at the moment, Brand. Yeah. So okay, guys. Yeah. So like always, thanks a lot for watching, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video.